These are my crispy fish tacos, street tacos. These are my crispy fish tacos. I'm doing them with a street taco, which is a very small tortilla shell, and they're actually like zero net carbs. And it's made by La Banderita and Carb Counter. And they're just saying it's like zero carbs. Doesn't affect my sugars. It's low carb. It's a delicious recipe. The method and the ingredients are below in the comments section. You can use the fish of your choice. I like a nice thin white fish, and I've split them down the center, the fillets. What we're going to do is we're going to take some taco seasoning. This is my sugar-free taco seasoning. And we're going to hit both sides of this. Just like that. Turn on my pan to a medium-high heat. A medium-high. It's not going to take long. Flip these over. Season both sides. This is refined coconut oil. It has no taste whatsoever. It doesn't taste like coconut, but it's got a really good burn point, and it puts a really nice crust on this. So I'm just going to take these fillets. Okay, that looks like it's starting to heat up nicely. In we go. We're just going to brown these. It's going to take 2 minutes aside. Just in a little bit of oil, like that. Okay, that's 2 minutes, so I'm going to give them a little flip. Yeah, that's looking really good. Perfect size of fish for this too. So 2 more minutes on that. Okay, our nice delicate fish is finished. Yep. Nice and flaky. And it will still continue to cook. So what I'm going to do now is turn this off and then pull these out and just put them onto a plate. And they'll still continue to cook. There we go. I'll take a paper towel and I'll just wipe the pan out. There, pan's clean. Now I'm going to take some of these street tacos, and they're just tiny little tacos. They're just tiny little tortillas. I'm just going to put them on a plate. I'm going to put a piece of fish in between each one. Now I have some Parmesan cheese here. It's finely grated, real Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to throw that into a bowl like that. I'm going to fold these little tortillas over like that. I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise to the outside. Just like that. I'm going to do both sides. The mayonnaise is going to act like a glue. There we go. They're nicely covered. I'll turn this on to a medium-high heat. Now, for low-carb tortillas, as I mentioned, these La Banderita street tortillas, this is how I prefer to have this. It's a fairly new item, and they're saying it's like zero net carbs, which is really good. There's Tomorrow's, and that is 3 net carbs. Then there's Mission Carb Balance. This one's a spinach and herb one, and they're very low too. They're only like 3 net carbs per tortilla. Very affordable. So what we're going to do is take each taco and put it into this cheese and just pack it on the outside like that, and put it in the hot pan. And we're just going to fry that. We're going to do it to all of them. And we're just going to fry it until it's golden brown, crispy. I've got 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese per taco. Okay, let's go for the flip. Yeah, look at that. See? That's nice and crispy. Another minute and a half, 2 minutes on that side. Okay, so what I like to do is take them out and just rest them on a plate or a rack, hot side up, to let them cool down for a little bit. And they just come out perfectly. There we go. I let that sit for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to take them and put them into, these are little taco holders, and it's just to hold it upright like that. So I'm going to serve these nice and warm. They should just come right apart. So they'll just open up, and you can put any wacky stuff you like in the inside. Guacamole. I'm going to put some shredded lettuce in these. You can put some coleslaw in. You can put some poblano strips, pickled jalapenos, whatever you like. These are my crispy fried street tacos.